Got another Foundations collector for you today. Let's see what we can do. Got an Incinerating Blast, Burglar Rat, Prideful Parent, chasing that rat, Wary Thespian, Thornwood Falls, Dreadwing Scavenger, Imprisoned in the Moon. Oh, that's a nice one. Heraldic Banner. Vampire Nighthawk. Certainly don't have any of those. And we got a... Is that Alacia there? I don't know. Got a Mountain. Got a Kiora, Rising Tide. Make an Octopi. Got a Vivian. Hey, got a loot. Give me the loot. Got a Zumone. I'm not really sure you say that, but certainly a card for Atraxa or something like that. And oh, nice. And an Omniscience. Cool. 3 mythic pack, that's and a loot, that's nothing to shake a stick at. Treasure, food. Sweet. See you guys next time.